I will never ignore strange noises from my fridge after learning this. Today, let's see why your GE refrigerator's compressor might not be working, and what you can do about it. First, let's talk about what the compressor does. Think of it as the engine of your fridge. If it stops working, your food won't stay cold. Now, the most common reason a compressor fails is power issues. Check if the fridge is plugged in and the outlet is working. Try plugging in another device to make sure. Next, listen for any clicking or buzzing noises. If you hear these, it could be a sign the compressor is trying to start but can't. This might mean a problem with the start relay, a small part that helps the compressor turn on. Another cause could be dirty condenser coils. If dust builds up, your fridge has to work harder, and the compressor can overheat or fail. Carefully vacuum or brush off any dust from the coils at the back or bottom of your fridge. If you've tried these steps and your fridge is still warm, the compressor itself might be broken. Sadly, this usually means you'll need a professional repair or even a new fridge. Remember, always unplug your fridge before checking any parts inside. Stay safe and keep your cool, literally.